Have you ever felt like this? You study for hours, take notes, watch videos, even promise yourself, this time I will remember everything, and then the next morning your mind is completely blank. It feels like your brain has deleted everything on its own. Meanwhile, there's always that one student in class who answers every question the teachers ask, like they have memorized the entire book. And don't even get started on those Japanese kids who can remember thousands of complicated kanji characters for years. So, are they geniuses? Do they study day and night? No, they just know some smart secrets and strategies that help them retain information long term. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share 5 Japanese techniques that can 10x your memory, focus, and learning speed. So, are you ready? If yes, right, I am ready in the comment section. Number 1, active recall. Output based learning. Here's what most students do, and maybe you too. Read once, read again, highlight some lines, but all of this is just input, and we assume input equals learning. But the brain strengthens through output. What you pull out information from memory, explain it to someone, or quiz yourself. Your brain forms deeper neural connections. Scientists have proven that students who test themselves or ask themselves questions remember 50% more than the students who only read. This method is called retrieval practice or active recall. It's like a gym workout for your brain. How to use active recall? Step 1. Close the book after studying a topic. Don't just walk away. Ask yourself, what did I just learn? What are 3 points of this topic? What would I explain to this my friend? Step 2. Take a sheet of paper and write the entire topic in your own words as if you were teaching someone. You would realize you missed a lot. Now, open your book, highlight what you forgot, and repeat the process. Once you can explain the whole topic without the book, clearly and confidently, you have mastered it. That's how you will be the one answering every question in class. Number 2, spaced repetition long term memory hack. Imagine planting a tree and watering it just once. Then you leave it and hope it grows in a big tree. Will it work? No way. It will dry out and die. Your memory works the same way. What most students do: study a topic once, highlight some points, move on the next chapter, only come back to it during tests or exams a month later. But then it's like pouring water on a dead plant. You have forgotten most of it and have to start from scratch. This is where spaced repetition comes in. The forgetting curve, what really happens when you learn after reading something. 20 minutes later, you forgot 40%. 1 hour later, you forgot 55%. 1 day later, you forgot 70%. And 1 week later, you really forgot about 80% what you have learned. So, after a few months, almost nothing remains, and that's why students keep saying, I keep forgetting what I studied. But from today onward, that ends. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And from now on, follow spaced repetition. Spaced repetition plan. Follow this chart. Day 0, same day. After learning a new topic, review it briefly with the 20 and 30 minutes. Day 1, review actively. Ask yourself, what did I learn yesterday? Day 3, do a deeper review. Day 7, test yourself or teach someone else. Day 14, you will remember most things, just revise what's missing. Day 30, do one final review. But by the time your exams arrive, you will remember 70 to 80% of what you studied. With just a small refreshers needed, you will be able to write it in exams easily and retain it for life. So, if you're ready to study smarter, type yes in the comments. This is your new way of learning. No more forgetting.